Hello everyone, good morning. I'm Casey Risha. I'm a social teacher in Ketia School. First of all, how are you children? Okay, I hope you all are fit and fine. Okay, dear children, we know that due to the corona pandemic, the whole country has locked down itself. Most of the schools of the country have started online classes. You must take advantage of this opportunity. Online classes to continue your study. Now it is easy to make connection with you all, and this will help us to cover the syllabus and maintain the flow of study. I welcome you all to join online classes. You please come and join the online classes, children. Don't miss the classes. Okay, so who have the books, you please open your textbook. So who didn't have the books, you please buy the books in our campus. All the textbooks are available, children. You please buy the books. Okay, ma? Okay, we go for our lesson. The first lesson is the globe. What is the first lesson? The globe, a model of the earth. Yes, here is the globe. This is the globe, children. This is a model of the earth. This is not a toy. This is a model of the earth. Okay, in this lesson we shall learn about, so these are, here is the main topics of our lesson. Okay, what are they? See here, the globe, a model of the earth, rotation and revolution of the earth, latitudes and longitudes, important parallel of latitudes, earth grid, the international dateline. So here is the new words, children. We go for the new words. The first one is equator. First one is equator. Second one, grid. Second one, grid. Parallel. Parallel. Pole. Latitudes. Longitudes. Meridians. Once again I repeat for you. Equator. Grid. Parallel. Pole. Latitudes. Longitudes, meridian. Okay, these are the new words, children. Okay, we go for the lesson. Our earth is the only planet of the solar system which has life. Our earth is the only planet of the solar system which has life. In the solar system, only one planet only have the life. That planet name is Earth. That planet name is Earth. It has many unique features. It has many unique features. It has living beings, plants and animals. It has living beings, plants and animals. It has lofty mountains, thick forests, large seas and oceans. Vast fertile plains, plateaus and valleys also we have in our earth. We have in our earth. So once again, our earth is only one planet of the solar system which has life. So total we have the 8 planets. Only one planet, that is our earth, only have the life. The remaining planets didn't have the life. Okay, and next. Long ago, people believed that the earth is flat. It was surrounded by water. How their people believed? What is the shape of our earth? Flat. They think like flat shape and surrounded by a water. They thought if they went to the extreme ends of the earth, they would fall down from its flat surface. How they are thinking? If they went extreme ends of the flat surface of the earth, they think like we are fall down there. But what is the shape of our earth? Round shape. But in that the old people, how they are thinking? They are thinking it is a flat shape. Okay. About 450 years ago, a Polish astronomer, his name is Copernicus. His name is Copernicus said that the earth is not a flat. One astronomer said that the earth is not a flat, it is a round in shape. But no one believed his theory. No, you are saying wrong. Earth is only flat shape. It is not a round in shape. They said like that. Okay, next. Okay. Later, Galileo Galilei, a well-known scientist and astronomer from Italy, he is from Italy, also confirmed that the earth is round and it revolves around the sun. Later, Galileo Galilei, a well-known scientist, he is a well-known scientist and astronomer, and he is from Italy. He is also confirmed that the earth is round in shape. First, who said round in shape? The Copernicus, a astronomer said it is a round in shape. But at that time, the people are not believed it. Okay. Next, later Galileo Galilei also confirmed the earth is round in shape and it revolves around the sun What he said, ఎర్త్ అనేది రౌండ్ షేప్ మాత్రమే కాదు, అది సన్ చుట్టూ కూడా తిరుగుతుంది అని కన్ఫర్మ్ చేశాడు. ద సైంటిస్ట్ నేమ్ ఈజ్ గెలీలియో గెలీలీ. Okay, and next in 1522, Ferdinand Magellan sailed around the earth and proved that the earth is round. He is proved. He is not saying. He is proved. What he proved there? Earth is round. Today, photographs taken from the satellites and by astronauts in space also have proved that the earth is round in shape. When we take the pictures on the space, earth is how it is look like? Round in shape. It is look round in shape. Okay, next, some fact. The earth is the fifth largest planet. The earth is the fifth largest planet and the third nearest planet to the sun. It is the third nearest planet to the sun. Which planet is the third nearest planet to the sun? The earth. The earth is the third nearest planet to the sun. Okay, and sun at a distance of 14 crores 95 lakhs 97,900 kilometers. So the sun and earth between the distance is 14 crore 95 lakhs 97,900 kilometers distance is there. Okay, children. Okay, this is for today, and once again I will read you for you. See, our earth is the only planet of the solar system which has life. It has many unique features. It has living beings, plants and animals. It has lofty mountains, thick forests, large seas and oceans, and vast fertile plains, plateaus and valleys. Long ago, people believed that the earth was flat. It was surrounded by water. They thought if they went to the extreme ends of the earth, they would fall down from the flat surface. About 450 years ago, a Polish astronomer, his name is Copernicus, said that the earth is not flat, it is round in shape. But no one believed that his theory. Later, Galileo Galilei, a well-known scientist and astronomer from Italy, also confirmed that the earth is round. It revolves around the sun. In 1522, Ferdinand Magellan sailed around the earth and proved that the earth is round. Today, photographs taken from the satellites and by the astronauts in space also have proved that the earth is round. Okay. Some fact. The earth is the fifth largest planet and the third nearest planet to the sun at a distance of 14 crores 95 lakhs 97,900 kilometers. This is for today, children. Remaining lessons will continue tomorrow. Okay.